In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Uber account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with your Uber app, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. This should make everything simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Uber app on your device. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Signing in is essential because you'll need access to your account settings to complete this process. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. There you should see the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. It's sometimes affectionately called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that to bring up the app's main menu. Next, you'll need to navigate through the menu to find your account settings. Within the menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled Settings. This is where you'll find various options for customizing and managing your account preferences. Tap on Settings to continue. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy. Privacy settings are where Uber lets you control how your data is handled. Tap on Privacy and you'll now see more options related to protecting your personal information. Now comes the critical step. Within the Privacy section, you should see an option that says something like Delete your account. This option is usually found towards the bottom. Tap on it and the app will guide you through the account deletion process. Usually this involves some prompts or confirmations to ensure this is really what you want to do, because once you delete your account, it's pretty final. Uber does understand the gravity of account deletions, so they'll ask you to confirm your decision a couple of times. After you've completed the necessary confirmations, you'll be notified that the deletion is initiated. However, keep in mind that deleting your Uber account isn't immediate. The process takes 30 days to be fully in effect. This waiting period is designed to give you a chance to change your mind, just in case you find you can't live without those convenient rides after all. So remember, after you initiate the deletion, the account remains in a deactivated state for 30 days before being permanently purged. During this time, you still have the opportunity to reactivate it if you log back in. Make sure you're entirely committed to the decision and that you're ready to let it go. And there you have it. You've now learned the steps to delete your Uber account permanently. We hope this guide was helpful and you feel more empowered to manage your digital footprint. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further help, feel free to reach out.